Next level. Next level. Next level. Next level. Next level.
So these wipers have seen bad days. So time to Bosch it. I try and only buy a Bosch if I can. They're not that expensive. They last 3 times as long and they work twice as well. Little trick with the 407. Tap the wiper stalk with the keys in the ignition. Hang on. There's a service position anyway. Let's go and find it for you. So I think we stick it in here like this. They do funky things sometimes. There we go. Hold it down just once. Keys in the ignition but not on. And they go in the service position. Simples! So let's put you down on the bonnet. Precariously. Let's get it done. Yeah! Oh. It says Bosch. Oh yeah, baby. You're simply the Bosch. Do 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 do. You wipe the screen better than all the rest. Be doobie doobie doo. I don't know how this goes on like this. I think it just goes on really easy like this. Do 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 do. Well, that was easy. I like Bosch windscreen wipers. Right, action shot. Ready? Nice. Man, they're rubbish. However, at least they work now. They do that funky thing at the end. Yeah, so I need to sort them out because they're rubbish. So the mystery of the rubbish washer jets may just have been solved. Just thought I'd have a quick look. I know they're a bit of a pig to fit because of where they are in the bonnet and distance of that long nose, etc. I just thought I'd try a before and after kind of effect. What's the actual issue? And, well, what I found was I fixed it. So, pretty good now. And the main reason was I noticed we were lacking quite a bit of pressure basically, and there was water just pouring out. I just done the ABS sensor, I kind of noticed. And basically, in the infinite wisdom, the guys at Peugeot Design use this, I don't know if you can just see it down there. It's like, hang on, I've got a piece here. It's the original piece. It's this stuff, which is flexible to a point, but it starts cracking. And it was leaking like in multiple places, so I've got a bit of pipe, a copper joiner, because that's all I could make to join to this. And I have a feeling I'll be replacing the whole length from the joiner up there all the way through down to the pumps down here. And looking underneath, it looks like someone's had a go at replacing before, because this sort of conduit piping, really bad idea. Because of course it's brittle and it cracks. And all my time I've never known on Peugeots a little rubber pipes leak, ever. Pumps die, yes, but not the little pipe things. I don't know why they came up with this rubbish conduit stuff. It just starts splitting in your hand. Never mind. Fixed. Right, let's get a nice action shot. Bosch wipers with nice fixed jets. Oh yes. Look at that. Parfait. Happy me. Sad dribble. Destroyed. Winning! So, remember this horrible flap? Well, today is the day. Because over here... Hello. Never changed one before though, so let's hope it's a quick job. Horrible black thing, fixed! Yay! It was actually a lot easier than I realised. Annoyingly, I've taken the bolt out there, which has dropped in, so we'll have to find that at some point. But basically, I didn't have to change any of these gubbins. I was giving it a bit of a yank, and this just slides off basically. There's a little clip at the back there. Let me show you on the old one, just for your reference, if ever you need to do this on your 407. If it is, you know, you need to. Basically, there's just a little clip there, and she just slides on and off. I wish I'd known that. That's a lot easier. Basically, just slides on and off. Anyway, don't need those anymore. Winning! It seems silly, but look at it. It's still blooming ugly. Oh, it just looks so much better with that flat and the white colour. Winning, and I don't have to paint anything. I'm so pleased about that. Cosmetically, I'm about done. Couldn't care less anymore. Just keep it clean. Win! Yay! Woohoo! Flappy flap, right colour! Woohoo! 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 You hear the grumble? Hath rumble gone? Yeah. Just this noise, by the way, if you're wondering. Yummy. Don't get dizzy now. Fixed!
No forward bumper under tray thingy. Can we fix it? Maybe.
So there you go. Job done. Nice little stitch repair by the guy that sold me this, I have to admit. Cable ties may have been used in the making of this film. So, I think there's only two things to do left for this car. Clean it and fit the engine cover. So we've done about 1,000 miles and that's what we've averaged. That's what I've averaged in the last 90 miles. So not too inconsistent. So we've now got the under tray on. We'll reset that. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to do a motorway journey basically, one with cruise and one without, and see the differences. Okay people, so we've just travelled 101 miles, and we've managed 46.2 miles to the gallon on cruise control through motorway of 70 and then a bunch of 50s. So we're going to do exactly the same journey on the return trip, and we're going to see what we get, and we're not going to use cruise. See what happens. So here's the verdict people. Driving home the same journey I just drove with cruise on the way, I drove without cruise on the way back. Ooh, 49.5 miles to the gallon. Interesting.